On June 15 of every year we observe World Elder Abuse Awareness Day to increase awareness and understanding of mistreatment, discrimination faced by elder people. The day serves as a platform to highlight rights of elderly people and promote a society that values their presence. This day was established by International Network for Prevention of Elder Abuse, INPEA, in 2006. It gained further recognition when United Nations General Assembly, UNGA, adopted resolutions in 2011. It designated June 15 as World Elder Abuse Awareness Day. Elder abuse is an act which causes harm to an older person and is carried out by someone they know and trust, usually a family member. The abuse may be physical, social, financial, psychological, or sexual. First, physical abuse, such as kicking, slapping, locking in a room or use of restraints, etc. Second, psychological abuse, such as pressuring, intimidating, bullying, name-calling, degrading or humiliating, etc. Third, sexual abuse, forcing the elder person to engage in unwanted sexual behaviors or viewing obscene videos in presence of elders without their consent. Fourth, neglect, failure to provide necessities such as adequate food, shelter, and medication. Fifth, social and financial abuse, preventing contact with family and friends, taking advantage of power of attorney, stealing older person's money, etc. India is no exception to the global trend of rising elder abuse. A significant number of elderly population in India is subjected of abuse, and these cases rising exponentially. The state Bihar is the leader of elder abuse in the country. Bihar has 11.65% of elder abuse, followed by Karnataka 10.11% of elder abuse. According to HelpAge India Report 2018, elder abuse mostly at hands of their sons, 52%, or daughter-in-law, 34%. The most predominant kind of abuse are disrespect 56%, verbal abuse 49%, neglect 34%, physical violence 10%. Family members and caregivers can take steps to prevent elder abuse by staying connected with their loved ones, watching for signs of abuse, report any abuse to authorities and take counseling if any. In India, anyone who's suffering from elder abuse report on Elder Line, 14567 National Helpline for senior citizens. HelpAge India also runs a toll-free number 1-800-180-1253. I made this video to spread awareness on elder abuse, which is unreported many times in our country due to conservatism. Today, on June 15, UNGA designated this day. Let's spread awareness in society. Please share this video for the sake of our elders.